Hey everybody, and welcome back to another Saturday Scribbles. This week I'll be showing you 4 new zentangle patterns. Some of them may look familiar, and I think that that's just because some patterns look very similar to other patterns. I apologize up front for the audio quality. My computer was not liking my microphone today, but that's okay. We're going to make this work. The first pattern, as you can see, kind of looks like a seedling or some kind of pearl inside of a leaf, and you can draw them on their own, or you can connect them into a flower shape, or you can make borders with them. The pattern below it looks like a bunch of paper lanterns, I think. And so that's kind of how I drew them in. This pattern is a cross between muscle tissue, I'm sorry if that grosses you out, but that's what it looks like, and DNA strands. And it's a really cool twisty pattern. And it's probably, your goal is to get the points of these curves that you draw under the curves to meet together at the bend of the double-lined curve. This is a horrible way of describing it. But that's what you're doing, to make it look like whatever fibers those are twisting. I apologize if you can hear my cat getting into all kinds of shenanigans, as always. And here we have these really whimsical patterns. I really like these. I just realized that looks like a smiley face, and that brings me joy. But these are super whimsical, and they're like little triangles with little antennas on top that are separated by dots. And you can fill them in. You can change up the way the antennas look. You can put patterns inside, however you want to do it, as always. I do think they look more fun in a group setting, though. And that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching.